Now, this is the real way I make French press. I know I showed a couple recipes and all that stuff about French press and how you usually go about it, but I found that actually making a French press that way makes for a dull, not exciting cup of coffee. So, and initially what I do is I stir the shit out of the French press. It needs the agitation. It really does need the agitations. Try it this way. See what you think about it. Let's go ahead and have a cup of coffee. Yeah. Mine's better. Here's another tip I'll give you. Don't go coarse. French press coarse. Go Hario B60 fineness in your grind. That's another way to boost up the extraction. And I think waiting 2 to 3 minutes, you don't have to do the full 4, you stir the crap out of it. So you don't really have to do all of that. But this will make the French press taste a lot better. Initially, when you start to drink it, it does have those bitter notes. But then as it cools down and mellows out, it's still a muddier cup of coffee compared to all the paper filter coffees. However, it mellows out really well to the point where it's very approachable. You really start to taste the essence of the coffee. So, try it. Truly, really try it. This is the way I really make French press, if ever I do French press. Cheers.